Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of logging in to Western Union for easy global transfer. Follow these step-by-step instructions to access your account effortlessly. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Step 2. Visit the Western Union website. In the address bar, type in the official Western Union website URL, www.westernunion.com. Press Enter to navigate to the site. Step 3. Locate the Login section. Once you're on the Western Union homepage, look for the Log In button. This is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Input your credentials. Click on the Login button to be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address and password in the appropriate fields. Step 5. Click on the Login button. After you've entered your email and password, click on the Login button below the fields to access your account. Step 6. Two-factor authentication, if applicable. If you have enabled two-factor authentication for added security, check your email or mobile device for the verification code. Enter this code in the provided field and press Submit. Step 7. Access your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can manage your transactions, send money, and access various features offered by Western Union. Make sure to keep your login details secure and log out after completing your transactions, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials and tips.